Okay, as you saw me going like that, showing everything. Fucking box is huge. This is the brand. It's the same brand that sent that I won the dip powders from. And yeah, they sent me the Polygel kit to try. I never used Polygel, but that's everything that's in the kit. I got it all to the left of me. Directions, which I will take a peep at because I might give this a shot. So that's the brand Ohuhu. Ohuhu. It's got 12 colors. I need to zoom you back out. Zoom me in. Now, I've seen people who use Polygel all the time, like their channel is Polygel. Get this kit. So, go there. Go to your local Polygel chick. She'll have a review on this. So you get some basic colors. I don't know, do they say a name on it? Just numbers. RB01, 02, 03. Let's see. Yeah, it's in the color dot. They give you some slip solution, 30 mils. That's sealed. That's good. The packaging is good, like it's sealed good. You get these big ass clippers. These are nice clippers if you want to cut your nails. I'm not going to. You get base coat and top coat. These are not in plastic bottles. This is glass. 12 mils each. That's good. You got your 𝑂𝑚n𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠, your brush and spatula. It's not branded, it's just the basic black one. I already have one of these opened. Not from this brand, but from previous Polygel. So I wouldn't use, you don't need to use up all your stuff. They give you a file, 100, 180. Doesn't say it, I can just feel it. You get a green, blue, looks kind of like a teal, maybe a pink, glitter, and you get these YSL forms that they're very hookish. Like, look, I don't think I'm down for that. Like, maybe if I just extended it to here or something. But they're very curved. I think there's more curved ones, but I heard this brand is good. YL Nails. I think Denise Johnson likes this brand. But yeah, there's that. So I don't know. Should I try doing a lazy girl method? Let me get something. I took my extensions off, filed those off, but oh my god, I had so much fun. Can we just take a moment? This brush bit, just sitting there letting it go to town with cuticle oil, up under the nails, cuticle oil, cuticle. Oh, that was the best thing. When I'm done with the bit, I keep them in this little bowl so I know. I never put them back in their thing. They gotta be clean first. All right, so I'll start yapping. Let me get a nail prepped. I don't know if I want to do my whole freaking hand. I've never done it before, so give me a second. Okay, these are the colors. They're numbered 1 through 13. This is a black and this is a clear. I think that's black. That or it's a deepest blue, but I think it's black. So yep. So I got like 4 coats of peel off base coat here. This is the color I'm going to use. I'm not going to try to do anything fancy because it's my first time putting polygel on my nails. I popped a hole. So squeeze some of that out. I'm not going to use their forms. I got these still almond stiletto kind of things. So just hold on a second. So I'll just take it to this line, which is just about almost, it's a little over my natural nail. But first let me get some base coat on. The base coat is really thick. So that's nice. Cure that. I don't cure any of that on my skin. Okay. I'm using the brush that I already had. So
I need more, I'll add more. I have no idea how nervous I am. Isn't this like a hybrid of like builder gel and acrylic mixed together? Just get there. I think I should use these forms with builder gel instead of putting full cover tips on. That would not be something I would do on camera. I've never done it before. It's looking a bit thick near the cuticle. Bring it down, bring it down. Come on. You don't need to be that thick there. It's not hard to like move around, so that's good. As I said, that it gets sticky. Let's see. Squeeze it too much. Okay, fuck it, going in. Okay. Come on. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Just gonna cleanse it with some alcohol. I mean, it's not pretty, but the first time, you know, there could have been more product down here because it's not as opaque. These forms do not fit my thumb, but those other ones, I don't like the way they go like that. So, let's use this file. Get that out of the way. Like, I can see the appeal of people using this, especially the colored ones. Like, you could just pick out your color that you want to wear, and you're good, you know? See, like, it doesn't go all the way to the side. Oh, dusty. I hope this pops off easy. There's a learning curve. And it's not blunt and it's not thick. It's very thin, so I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not a bad tool at all compared to my beloved Born Pretty that I love so much. This is my go-to. But yeah, it came with everything you freaking need and instructions to remove. This is the only thing that is made me a little nervous. How to remove polygel. Trim nail extension. File the nail surface to rasp the entire polygel away. Clean the surface of the nail with a wet wipe. Apply nutrition oil around your nail is okay. So you can't soak this off. It has to be 100% filed off. That's what I get from this. So I don't know. I'm not a polygel queen, so that's just what the instructions say. And this is a blue. It's called Blueberry. It's very dark. The clear looks very clear. So yeah, decent kit. And I think there's a coupon. Like if you got Amazon Prime, you can $10 coupon, so you could get it for $29.99 or something. I don't know. Don't quote me. I didn't look it up. I just saw somebody use this kit the other day. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna shut up because I'll just keep fucking talking. So that's my little adventure into polygel. I did it. I need more practice. I don't know if this is my jam, but yeah, we'll see. Only time can tell. I never thought dip would be my jam either, but it is now. So the brand is Ohuhu. That's it right there. And yeah, this is not a review. Well, I'm reviewing it. I'm reviewing myself actually using it. I'm not reviewing the products. They just sent it to me because my liquids went bad and stuff like that. So they said, oh, we'll ship you out a polygel kit. I'm like, oh.
Ooh, look. All those peel-off base coats. Ah, man, if only dip popped off like that. And I don't even have gel on my natural. I don't have an overlay on my nails. Oh, this is the best thing since sliced bread. And I hate bread. But yo, I put 2 coats of water base and 2 coats of that old stuff from Sparkle & Co. that's kind of like latexy right on my natural nail. The last time I put peel off base coat on my natural nail and dipped with it, it ripped off this nail up here in the meat right across. Look at that. Probably because it, I didn't seal it with top coat or file or do any of that fancy schmancy stuff, but yes, Patch, yes. And here's my nail. Yay. All right, bye.